G-Bonds inside GCash. What is it and is this a good investment? So yeah, let's go. Hi guys, Teopilo here, and GCash just recently launched itong G-Bonds. So if pupunta ka sa GCash account mo, tapos punta ka dun sa Explore All, tapos punta ka dun sa Grow tab, dun mo makikita si G-Bonds. So medyo kailangan mo siyang hanapin if you want to invest in G-Bonds. But basically, once you click itong G-Bonds, dito mo makikita like what is G-Bonds. So dito makikita mo like G-Bonds or bonds are government-issued securities. G-Bonds is a marketplace where you can easily buy and sell bonds. So, in simple terms, G-Bonds is like si government mangungutang to the public and then, as a promise, they're gonna pay you back with interest. So, basically, if you invest in bonds, ideally super secured and safe siya kasi this is backed by the government. So, again, bonds are like si government mangungutang sa public. And in return, after a certain period of time, babayaran ka ni government ng interest. Tapos next dito is how I earn with G-Bonds. So, earn fixed returns with your bond matures. Own bonds for a minimum of 3 months. So again, as I mentioned kanina, interest yan by the government. So once it matures, let's say for example, dito minimum is 3 months mo siya i-hold and then the government will pay you interest in return. And then is the money risk-free with G-Bonds? Again, considered low risk. Because they are backed by the government. So, si government yung nangutang sa iyo. The best part with G-Bonds, you can start as low as 500 pesos. And this is what I love about GCash kasi if you want to invest into mga different investments inside GCash, very simple lang. Like dito, as you can see, i-share mo lang yung details mo like your GCash number, yung name, birthday, email, whatsoever para you can easily create an account dito sa G-Bonds. So, para mas mabilis na talaga. So, I believe GCash is doing really a good job in terms of letting people be able to invest into different kinds of investments because they make it super simple and easy for us. So, in fact, I created an account and in less than 1 minute, nagawa ko na siya. However, pending pa siya and waiting for approval yung account ko. But again, the beauty of GCash, again, tulad nito, click mo lang yung agree and i-share na niya yung details mo to open an account. And as you can see dito, sa G-Bonds, this is powered by PDAX. Okay, so PDAX. So, same company sa G-Crypto and other financial institutions. So, si PDAX yung nag-handle nito, powered by PDAX. However, yung broker-dealer naman is bonds.ph. So, I actually have a video about bonds.ph. So, that was an app kung saan where you can buy bonds in the Philippines. So, I'll just put a link down in the description. But I believe that's medyo old video na. So, I'm not sure if that's still relevant. But basically, bonds.ph, dito ka pwede mag-buy and sell ng mga bonds. And using GCash, it's now easier now to buy bonds using G-Bonds. Now, to complete your account creation, click mo lang yung next. And then, review mo lang yung mga details mo doon, yung personal details. At the same time, may mga personal questions doon or information like, are you connected with a politician? Are you living in the US? And yung mga investment experience mo. So, you just fill out that information, review mo lang. And then, syempre, click agree. Yung terms and conditions nun, click agree. Basahin mo lahat yan if you like to. But basically, once you confirm, boom, we're processing your application. So, as of this video, hindi pa siya na-approve. But sabi dito, next business day. Gusto ko sana hintayin but I'm so excited to just create this video now. But basically, I'll update you guys once approved na yung application ko. But yeah, as fast as less than 1 minute, makakagawa ka ng account inside G-Bonds. So, quick update, na-approve na yung G-Bonds account ko. I applied at August 4, tapos August 5, na-approve ka agad siya. Now, we can explore G-Bonds. Ano ba yung binibenta nila? So, currently, as of this video, meron silang 90-day bill. So, dito makikita mo na minimum investment, you can invest as low as 500 peso, you can invest more. Now, in terms of being able to add more, that wala pa akong idea if you can add more ba? If you invest, tapos pwede ka bang mag-add? Or if I'm not mistaken, I believe once ka mag-invest, and then kailangan mo siya ihintayin. But again, I need to verify this one. But basically, ayun nga, as low as 500 pesos, you can invest into these investments. And then, as of this video din, itong 90-day bill din, meron siyang 5.47% interest rate. So again, you're gonna invest in this bond. So this is like a bond na si government mangungutang sa iyo and then in return, bibigyan ka ng 5.47% in interest. Now, since this is 90-day, I believe this is like 90 days before mag-mature yung bond mo. And then once it matures, government will pay you back dun sa in-invest mo plus the interest. So, very simple lang siya. So, para siyang time deposit. na for a certain period of time, i-hold mo siya. And then by the time mag-mature na siya, you'll get the principal plus the interest. So sa time deposit kasi, si bank holds your money, tapos si banko, siya yung nagpapautang, di ba? Pinapautang nila. However, dito, si government mismo yung mangungutang sa atin, and then in return, after 90 days, they're gonna pay you back with interest. And yeah, not all the time nag-i-issue sila ng mga bonds. So hindi naman all the time si government mangungutang and mag-i-issue ng bonds. But basically, if may bonds na maganda yung returns, maganda yung holding period, then very important na i-check mo yung G bonds from time to time and check if maganda ba siya for you. So as of this video, yung 90-day bill is basahin natin, like this is a treasury bill. So treasury bill, this is like bonds. And then our short-term 1 year or less debt securities issued by a government. The duration of a T-bill could either be 91, 182, or 364 days. So as of this bond, this is 91 days na bond. So T-bills are sold at a discount with the same face value. When the T-bill matures, the government pays you the full face value. Your profit comes from the difference between what you paid and the amount you receive upon maturity. So, but basically, in simple terms, may profit ka. In simple terms, may profit ka. So if you think this is a good deal para sa'yo, like 5.47% interest per annum, that's actually pretty good compared with like digital banks na nasa 4% or less lang yung interest niya. And then this one, medyo low risk din siya kasi this is issued by the government. So if you find mga ganitong deals, then it's also a very good way to diversify your funds. So yeah, that is G bonds, another low risk alternative if you want to invest tapos meron kang interest na ma-receive in return. However, if you're someone na medyo who wants to have an aggressive investment, actually si GCash, meron silang bagong funds inside their G funds account. If you want higher returns tapos dividend paying income fund pa, then you might want to check out this next video kung saan I share dito yung bagong 4 G funds inside GCash. So yeah, go ahead and check out this next video if you want a more aggressive investment na merong monthly dividends in return. And I'll see you in that video.